Alright, this video is for discovering exponents and polynomials, and it's for worksheet 1-4. Let me go ahead and zoom this so that you can see the whole worksheet in one view. If you are in this class, pause and start grading your work. If you're not in this class and you want to be, in the description is a link to the class. All right, so I'm going to assume that if you're grading, you have paused it. If not, please pause it right now. I'm going to zoom in and we're going to look at these. Okay, so remember the 11 is the base and the exponent is how many times I'm multiplying it. I should know that 11 times 11 is 121. Then I have to multiply it by another 11. Okay, get lined up underneath the second one. And it's going to be the same exact thing. Look how it pushes it over because they're all ones. And the two numbers in the middle are just added. It's like taking the three ones and adding them all together. It follows the same principle as an exponent of 2. If you watch the review video, you know what I'm talking about. All right, so this is 14 times 14, which is one we were supposed to memorize. This is 196. Anything to the 0 power is just 1. Remember, we're going to talk about that more in the next topic. This is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Biggest issue I see is that people count by 2s. They go 2, 4, 6, 8. Remember I said in class, that's like adding it, okay? What we want to do is go 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4, so these two make 4, these two make 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Again, anything to the 0 power is 1. This is 3 being multiplied together 5 times. It's going to be 9. 9, drop down my 3. 9 times 9 is 81, times 3. 243. This is multiplying 4 together 7 times. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the first 2 is 16, the second 2 is 16, then 16 again, and then 4. 16 times 16. Okay, I'm going to do the math over here since that is not one that we were supposed to memorize. 6, 7, 8, 9. Get underneath the 1. That's 256. Now let's do 16 times 4, which is 64. And now let's multiply these two together, which after you do that is 16,384. This is one you were supposed to memorize. It's 12 times 12, and that's 154. If you need that trick of how to do that one, go back to the review video. Okay, this is not one you have to memorize, so go ahead and do it. 64 times 8. So if I do a little math over here, I get 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 3 more is 51. So 512 for that one. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Anything to the 1 power itself. So this one's 1. This one's 100. This one is going to be, don't know why this is down here. It's 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, which if you do all that math, it's still only going to be 1. All right, this is one you have to memorize, so I'm not going to do it. If you need help with it, go back to the review video at the beginning of this course. But this is 15 times 15, or use the trick to help you memorize in that video. 10 to the 0 power is 1, and this one is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So this is 25, and this is 25. Oh, so I have 25 times 25. That's going to be 25, carry my 2, 10, 12. This one's going to be 10, and then 5. 625 is the answer. All right, keep doing it. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll see what I can do to help you. And I'll see you either in class or in the next video.